If Lightroom Classic is showing an unexpected error opening your catalog, don't worry. This is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common solutions step by step so you can get back into your catalog without losing your work. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom fixes like this. Let's jump in. The first and most common fix is to delete the lock file. This lock file can sometimes get stuck and stop Lightroom from opening your catalog properly. Start by closing Lightroom completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Then go to the folder where your catalog is saved. You'll usually see your main catalog file ending in .lrcat along with a few related files. Look for any file ending in .lrcat.lock. That is the file you want to remove. Delete only the lock file, not the catalog itself. After that, reopen your .lrcat file and check if Lightroom launches normally. If that does not solve the problem, the next thing to try is moving the catalog to a local drive. Sometimes catalogs stored on an external drive, network drive, or cloud-synced folder can cause errors when Lightroom tries to open them. To test this, copy the entire catalog folder to your desktop or to your internal SSD. Make sure you copy the full folder, not just the catalog file. Once the folder is copied, double-click the .lrcat file from its new location and see if Lightroom opens correctly. If it does, the issue may be related to the original drive or connection. Another important fix is checking folder permissions. If Lightroom does not have proper access to the catalog folder, it may fail to open it. On Windows, right-click the catalog folder and choose Properties. Then go to the Security tab and find your user account. Make sure your account has full control permissions. If it does not, edit the permissions and allow full access. After applying the changes, try opening the catalog again. Permissions issues are very common, especially after moving files between drives or transferring them from another computer. If you are still getting the error, the final step is to update Lightroom Classic. Sometimes the problem is caused by a bug in the app itself, and Adobe may have already released the fix. Open Creative Cloud, go to your apps list, and check for an update to Lightroom Classic. Install the latest version, restart your computer if needed, and then try opening your catalog once more. To recap, start by deleting the .lrcat.lock file, then try moving the catalog to a local drive, check folder permissions, and finally update Lightroom Classic. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the unexpected error opening catalog issue and get Lightroom running again. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Lightroom troubleshooting tips, editing tutorials, and fast fixes for common software problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.